Hi everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how to add replacement parts and industrial supplies IndiaMART Enquiries to Google Sheets. So let's suppose I am a sales manager at an industrial supplies company and I am receiving many inquiries in my IndiaMART. Now I want to automatically add all these inquiries in my Google Sheets, and I can completely automate this process with the help of Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software which requires no coding or programming skills. Here I just need to build connection between IndiaMART and Google Sheets. Pabbly Connect runs on two principles, which is trigger and action. Here as my trigger application, I will take IndiaMART from where I will receive new inquiry, and in my action application I will take Google Sheets where I will add these inquiry automatically. If you want to learn this amazing automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to add IndiaMART inquiries to Google Sheets. For this, we are going to create automation between IndiaMART and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly, and you can visit this simply by typing pabbly.com/connect in your browser. After browsing the website, we need to sign in to a Pabbly account. On the top right corner, we can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on the sign in. But if you are a new user, click on the sign up for free, and this will give you 100 tasks free on monthly basis. As I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here a dashboard has appeared showing me all the Pabbly applications. Here I need to click on this Pabbly Connect Access Now. And it has taken me to this dashboard where I will be able to see all my workflows over here and all the folders that I have created over here. If you want to create a new folder, you just need to click on this plus icon, and from here you can create a new folder. For now, I want to create a new workflow, for which I need to click on this create workflow, and first I need to enter the workflow name and then select the folder in which I want to save this workflow. So first let's name this workflow as Add IndiaMART Enquiry Leads to Google Sheets for Replacement Parts and Industrial Supplies. Now I need to select the folder. So these are the folders that have been created, and I want to select this IndiaMART and click on create. Now as soon as I click on create, two boxes have appeared in front of me. One is trigger, other is action. So trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So trigger is basically an event which starts the automation of a workflow. There can be only one trigger in a workflow, but as many as action applications as you want. Here in this workflow, I want to add my IndiaMART inquiry to Google Sheets for replacement parts and industrial supplies, which means whenever I will receive inquiry in IndiaMART, the inquiry will be added in my Google Sheets, which means whenever I will receive inquiry in this complete workflow, here will get triggered. So here in my trigger application, I will take IndiaMART. And then in my trigger event, I'll take new leads. Now I need to make connection between IndiaMART and Pabbly Connect, for which a webhook URL is provided to me. And this URL will act as a bridge to connect my IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. So reading this help desk given below over here, I will make this connection. And to make this connection, let me take you to my IndiaMART account. So this is my IndiaMART account and dashboard of sellers in IndiaMART. And on the left hand side, I can see all these options. Here I need to click on this lead manager, and then I have to click on this three dots where I can see this import export leads, and then I have to click on this push API. Now from over here, I need to select the source. So these are the sources that I can see in my drop down. I want to select this as other, and then I have to enter my CRM platform name and then the webhook listener URL. So this is the same webhook URL which I am provided in my Pabbly Connect workflow. So first I will enter my CRM platform name, which is Pabbly Connect, and then I need to enter my webhook listener URL. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, copy this webhook URL, and simply paste that over here. Now I have to click on the save details and select the options that why I want to connect IndiaMART with Pabbly Connect. So you can enter any of these options according to your choice and preference. I want to select this as I can easily assign leads to my sales team and manage their performance. And then I have to click on this click to generate OTP. Now I will enter the OTP that I have received on my number, and then I have to click on this submit. So we have added the unique webhook URL which we were provided in our Pabbly Connect workflow over here successfully. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and if I scroll down, I can see this waiting for the webhook response, and under this it is written. Now log into the application where you have added the webhook URL and do test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. This means so as to get the webhook response over here, I need to do a test submission, for which I need to open my IndiaMART account. So I have created a profile by the name latest user and opened that in an incognito mode, and I have also searched for my business over here. And now after creating a profile, I need to send a query to my business. For that I need to click on this contact supplier, and then I have to add my query. So over here I have added my inquiry. Hi, I hope this message finds you well. I am reaching out to inquire about your offerings in replacement parts and industrial supplies. Could you please provide a catalog or list of available products? What are your pricing and lead times for bulk orders? Do you offer any support for product selection or recommendations? Waiting for your reply. Thank you for your assistance. Now I have to simply click on the submit after writing my inquiry. And then I have to enter my business name, which is latest company. And then I have submitted my query successfully. Thank you, your details are sent to this business. So I have successfully added my inquiry to this business, and now I need to open my Pabbly Connect and check whether it has received my inquiry there or not. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see we have received the response that status is success. I have also received the unique query ID, which is this, and I will receive a unique query ID for every query. And then here is the response subject, then the state, then the name of the sender, which was latest user. Here is the email address latest@pabblytudes.com. The country is India. My company was latest company. The city is Bhopal. The address is Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh. I have recorded the date and timing of the query, and then I have received the product name and the product query. Here, as you can see, I have received the test response because I have used the profile to create different workflows, and here I am receiving a test response or the default response because I am using a test account of IndiaMART. But this will not be the same in your case because you will be using the paid account of IndiaMART, and you will receive the same exact query sent by the customer. So I have received the response over here. This means Pabbly Connect is connected with IndiaMART, and now I need to move to my next step, which is action step. So I want to add all these queries in my Google Sheets. So here my action application will be Google Sheets. And then select my action event as add new row. Now I have to click on this connect. If you have an existing connection, you can go with save. If you don't have one, you have to click on this add new connection. And then you have to click on this sign in with Google. Now over here I need to select my account and then give away the permission because my data is saved with Pabbly Connect. And authorization successful. So Google Sheets is connected with Pabbly Connect, and now I have to enter all these details. And to enter this, let me take you to my Google Sheets. So this is my Google Sheets by the name IndiaMART Enquiries, and I have maintained these fields which has name, phone, email and inquiries. Now let's go back to Pabbly Connect, and from this spreadsheet field, I need to select my spreadsheet in which I want to add all these inquiries. So here I can see this IndiaMART Enquiries. So I will select this, and it has automatically detected the sheet number 1 and then all the fields that I have in my spreadsheet, which is name, phone, email and inquiry. So now I need to enter this. So to enter this, I am going to use a process called mapping, which means I am going to enter data from my previous response. So I have received response from IndiaMART, so I will simply click on this IndiaMART and then enter my name as latest user, and then I have to enter the phone number. And then I have to enter the email address. So I'll use the same process and enter my email address as latest@pabblytudes.com. And then I have to use the same process and enter my inquiry, which is this. Now over here, mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response, it is taken into consideration in these fields. Manually entering the data will make these fields static and the information will not change even if you have received the new response. Over here, if I manually enter any data, this field will become static, and every time I receive a new response, this will not change. So as to keep these fields dynamic, we use this process mapping. Now after adding all these details with the help of mapping, I simply have to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received the response. Now I need to open my spreadsheet and check whether this query has been added there or not. So here I can see I have instantly added this query. My name was latest user, phone number was this, email address was latest@pabblytudes.com, and my inquiry is I'm interested in Pabbly Connect free demo available. So now to summarize, we took IndiaMART as a trigger application where we made connection with Pabbly Connect with the help of this web URL. We sent a query from my profile and received the response over here. After which we took our action application as Google Sheets, where we made connection with Pabbly Connect, entered the spreadsheet in which we want to add all these queries, entered all these details with the help of mapping, simply clicked on the save and send test request, and received the response as these details being added in my Google Sheets. So we have successfully created automation between IndiaMART and Google Sheets with the help of Pabbly Connect. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you have any doubt, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can reach at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, you can visit the website given over here. Also, if you find our videos helpful, do share it with your friends and like and subscribe to our channel.